Yo, what's up everyone? I'm John Mones and welcome to our vlog. What's up everyone? I'm here in front of you to talk about my 3D animal cell model. I'm John Mones and this is our performance task in General Biology 1. So, this is the one that I made. The cell was first discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665 using a microscope. I forgot to take a video on how I made this 3D animal cell model, but I will explain to you how I made this 3D animal cell model. So the first process is I cut the styro ball here by 90 degrees. And then I add the base. The base is made of paper. So the next process is I cut the parts. This one, mitochondria, vacuole, nucleus. I cut this, and then after I cut it, I paint the styro ball with maroon and the base with cream, and also I painted the parts. And after that, I put them all together using glue. And lastly, I add the clay for cytoskeleton.
Wow!
So now we will talk about the functions of the parts of the animal cell. First is the nucleolus. The nucleolus is a membraneless organelle within the nucleus that manufactures ribosomes, the cell's protein-producing structures. Here is the nucleolus. So the next one is the nucleus. This is where the nucleolus is found. So the nucleus controls and regulates the activities of the cell and carries the genes, structures that contain the hereditary information. Nucleoli and small bodies often seen within the nucleus. The gel-like matrix in which the nuclear components are suspended is the nucleoplasm. The next one is the ribosomes. As you can see here, the white dots, this is the ribosomes. So a ribosome is a cell organelle. It functions as a micromachine for making proteins. Ribosomes are composed of special proteins and nucleic acids. The translation of information and the linking of amino acids are the heart of the protein production process. The next one is the vesicle. So as you can see here, the green one, this is the vesicles. So vesicles store and transport materials with the cell. Some of these materials are transported to other organelles. Other materials are secreted from the cell. Most vesicles are involved in transporting some sort of molecules, such as a hormone or neurotransmitter. The next one is the centrioles. Here, the color yellow one. So centrioles are paired barrel-shaped organelles located in the cytoplasm of animal cells near the nuclear envelope. Centrioles play a role in organizing microtubules that serve as the cell's skeletal system. They help determine the locations of the nucleus and other organelles within the cell. The next one is the lysosome. Here, the red one. This is my illustration of lysosome. So the function of the lysosome is a membrane-bound cell organelle that contains digestive enzymes. Lysosomes are involved with various cell processes. They break down excess or worn-out cell parts. They may be used to destroy invading viruses and bacteria. This one. The next one is the cytosol or the cytoplasm. The cytosol is this one, the base. The color of my cytosol is cream. This one. So the function of the cytosol, the gel-like substance within the cell, provides the fluid medium necessarily for biochemical reactions. Eukaryotic cells, including all animal cells, also contain various cellular organelles. So this is where the organelles are found on the cytosol or the cytoplasm. Next one is the vacuole, or this one, the skyblue ones. So the function of a vacuole is a membrane-bound cell organelle. In animal cells, vacuoles are generally small and help sequester waste products. In plant cells, vacuoles help maintain water balance. Sometimes, a single vacuole can take up most of the interior space of the plant cell, but this is an animal cell, so the vacuole is small. So the next one is the mitochondria. This one, the orange one with the curvy like color yellow. So the function of the mitochondria are membrane-bound cell organelles that generate most of the chemical energy needed to power the cell's biochemical reactions. Chemical energy produced by the mitochondria is stored in a small molecule called adenosine triphosphate. So mitochondria is also known as the powerhouse of the cell. So the next one is the cytoskeleton. So these pink clay and the green clay are my illustrations of cytoskeleton. So cytoskeleton organizes other constituents of the cell, maintains the cell shape, and is responsible for the locomotion of the cell itself and the movement of various organelles within it. The next one is the Golgi apparatus here, or the Golgi body. The Golgi apparatus is a membrane-bound organelle found in most cells. It is responsible for packaging proteins into vesicles prior to secretion and therefore plays a key role in the secretory pathway. This one is the Golgi body or the Golgi apparatus, the pink one. The next one is the endoplasmic reticulums. So we'll talk about the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, this one here. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, meshwork of fine disc-like tubular membrane vesicles, part of a continuous membrane organelle within the cytoplasm of eukaryotic cells, that is involved in the synthesis and storage of lipids, including cholesterol and phospholipids. The next one is the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum has on it ribosomes, which are small, round organelles whose function is to make those proteins. This one. Lastly is the cell membrane. As you can see here, my cell membrane is the color red, like border on my animal cell. So the function of the cell membrane therefore has two functions. First, to be a barrier keeping the constituents of the cell in and unwanted substances out, and second, to be a gate allowing transport into the cell of essential nutrients and movement from the cell of waste products. This one is my cell membrane, the red one. So guys, thank you for staying on my vlog about the 3D animal cell model. Thank you and God bless. Mabuhay.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely